The Fox and the Goat. Once upon a time, a fox went for a walk. He didn't look where he was going, so he fell into a well. The well was deep, and the fox didn't know how to get out. A thirsty goat came to the well and said, "Well, fox, is the water good?" The fox saw his chance. He pretended to swim and said, "Oh, goat, the water is fine. Come down and see for yourself." So the goat jumped into the well. Then the fox climbed up the goat's horns and jumped out of the well. "Oh no, bad fox! Now, how will I get out?" asked the goat. The fox smiled and said, "You should think carefully before you jumped into the well. Silly goat!